Do you feel overwhelmed? Are you constantly in a state of, my God, I'm doing so much, I'm struggling every single day, I'm fighting this battle, I'm fighting that battle, I don't know where the day goes, I wake up in the morning, it's 8 o'clock, and by the time I realize it, it is 9 o'clock in the evening. What has happened through my day? This is a problem that I want to share with you. You see, when you start working, there's a big shift that takes place, and this is a secret that nobody tells you when you're learning in school or college. You see, in school and college, what happens is that you are celebrated, you are given congratulations for how hard you work, which means you are appreciated for the amount of time and effort that you put in to doing a particular task. Isn't that the case? Remember how many times your mother must have told you, do 3 hours of history homework, finish that, then do 4 hours of this, do 3 hours of that. Everything is given to you in these hour-based chunks. And some of us study for 1 hour at a go, some of us study for 2 hours at a go and then take a break. It all depends. But we were celebrated for hard work and we were celebrated for time spent. However, in the real world, in the world where you're suddenly thrown into this work culture, where you are in a corporate system or you have your own business, you're never celebrated for how much effort you put inside and how much time you spend. You're only celebrated for one thing: results. What is the end outcome of what you did? Which means that we have to now start changing the way we think about the way we use time. So far we are just thinking about how we use time and how hard we are working and how many hours of time we spend each day working. I want you to change the focus. Don't think about hours and times. Instead, start thinking about tasks that you have done. What are the tasks that you completed today? Task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4. What are the 3 biggest tasks that you completed today? 3 tasks, only 3, that if you did, you will feel that this day was worth it. So what are the 3 tasks that you do that makes you feel that this day is worth it? Apart from that, what are the other small tasks you have to do to the day? So once you change from a time-based approach to a task-based approach, your work life changes. The second thing to do is to think about how is your energy being spent through the day. Don't think about it as time management, think about it as energy management. That means you might want to finish all 3 big tasks right in the morning when your energy is at its peak. You might want to settle for 2 big tasks in the morning and then 1 big task in the evening. You see, what I'm doing here is I'm asking you to change the way that you think about energy and time. Focus on energy, because energy is where your focus is. Energy is where the outcome is. Energy is how you actually manage to get the tasks done. And like I said, in the working environment, it's all about getting tasks done. So don't fall into this trap of time management. There was a time for time management. There was a time when time management was the buzzword. I've gone for thousands of such time management seminars and videos I've seen. But I've realized this one thing, especially working with my clients, that time management in today's day and age is not something that is real. Time management was something that was a nice rosy concept. What you have to do is you have to start scheduling your tasks, not scheduling your time. You might still have a task starting at 12 o'clock, perfectly fine. But you don't have to set aside 1 hour for it. If you can finish that task in 20 minutes, that's all that matters. Because otherwise what used to happen was you would schedule something for 1 hour, you'd finish it in 20 minutes, and then you would not know what to do with the rest of the time, the rest of the 40 minutes. That is something that I don't want you to get into, because that is a trap. Dirty trap. Because when that happens, you will start thinking how hard you worked. I spent 1 hour doing that. But technically you just spent 20 minutes. I did 3 hours worth of research. Okay, but how much actually time was spent researching? How much time was spent watching cat videos on YouTube? You see the difference? So catch yourself and be honest with yourself. Are you using time as a parameter of work put in, hard work especially? Instead, start doing it in a smarter way. Think about only the tasks you're going to do, the 3 big tasks, followed by all the small ones, and then schedule those tasks into your day in such a way that you are working on them at peak energy times. When is not a peak energy time? Immediately after lunch, for example. Many people find that afternoon lull. Don't schedule peak tasks at that point of time. Schedule meetings with people, maybe schedule time with your accountant if you have to, but don't schedule your important tasks. When you balance out and mix energy management with task management, you now have a winning combination, and your days will be packed with efficiency and so much that you'll wonder, what were you doing for all these years? Our habits ultimately boil down to this: learning how to create efficiencies and doing more than we ever thought possible with our lives. I'm Ashdin Doctor, your habit coach, and understand awesome lives, they start with awesome habits.